Hello, hi. How's everything with you? I hope everyone is fine. Do you still keep praying for our country, Indonesia? Please sure do. We keep praying that everything will be normal again and we can meet face to face. So I'm very happy to meet you on this third video. We are going to learn something new. We call that caption. In this unit, we are going to learn something which I have already told you before, caption. And this is based on KD 3.3. Kita bisa membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan, dan berbagai macam teks caption. Dan tujuan pembelajaran dari KD 3.3 adalah kita bisa mengidentifikasi beberapa caption, menganalisis unsur-unsur caption, mengumpulkan beberapa caption, dan membuat caption untuk beberapa foto pribadi. To start this unit, I'd like to ask you first, what is a caption? In Indonesian we say, sama, caption. Yeah, and I think this term is familiar to you, right? A caption, right. So, how can you define a caption? What is the definition of caption? Apa itu caption? Gambar? Only gambar? Picture? Yeah, with some words or description, right? Is the description short or long? Yeah, short. So can you combine that into English? So a caption is a short or brief description with pictures or illustration, right? So what is the social function or purpose of a caption? To show something? It can be to explain something. Yeah, so a caption is to explain what is shown in the illustration, right? Okay, if you want to make a good caption, or if you want to know whether a caption is good or not, we should know the criteria of a good caption. And here is the criteria. The first one is, a good caption should identify the subject of the picture clearly. Should show the subject of the picture very clearly, so not make the readers confused. Okay? And the second criteria is that a good caption should succinct and informative. Do you know succinct? Here means precise and concise. It means jelas tapi ringkas. Okay? And then the third criteria is a good caption should be relevant to the picture. Do you know it, right? And the fourth, a good caption should provide context for the picture. And the fifth, a good caption should draw the reader into the article. So it should be interesting that make the reader wants to read the caption. Okay? We are going to talk further about caption with the examples or kinds. So far, what kind of captions have you known? Is it only captions of pictures? Yeah, that's the only one? Dengan gambar? Yeah, you're not wrong. But let's think further. Actually, caption not only with pictures. Sometimes you can find captions with photograph, that's right, the real photo. And sometimes we find caption below the photo, right? Good. And then what else? Caption of, yeah, tables, tabel, right? We also call that caption, right? And then what else? Tables, and then graph or graphic, right? And then one more, tables, graph, and one more, chart. That's right. So we have captions of tables, graphs, chart, and then captions of photograph and captions of pictures. Well done. On this slide, I give you the examples of captions of pictures. What I want you to do is, please see them carefully, observe the pictures, And then think about that, whether the captions here fulfill the criteria of a good caption. I want to get your comments after you observe that. Okay? On this slide, I give you the examples of captions of photograph. And what I want you to do is, like the one on the previous slide, see them carefully, observe them, each of the caption of photograph, and then tell me whether they have fulfilled the criteria of good caption or not. Okay? Please take your time. If you notice the examples of this slide, so you can decide or say that this is the examples of captions of graphs or graphic. That's right. So again, you should observe them and then tell me whether they are good or not. And if you have any solution or suggestions to make it better, for example, maybe. So I'm happy to hear that from you. Take your time to learn about that first. Another example that you should know as well is captions of chart. Yeah, it's another example of graphic, but in a different way or different type. So let's see the examples here and tell me further about that. Whether do you think they are good enough or do you think they need some improvement? Take your time to learn about the samples and I'm waiting for your response about that. The next examples, and it will be the last examples of caption, is caption with tables. Table here means tabel, and I'm sure you have been familiar with that, haven't you? Okay, look at the examples and then observe the pictures, and I want you to give comments about that, whether they are good or not. Okay? Before I close the lesson, I'd like to give you one exercise. I want you to see the picture, the caption there. It is said, "You were my favorite hello and my hardest goodbye." So what do you think the meaning of this caption? They are very close to each other? Good. They are best friends? Yeah, so we can say that the dog has died and the girl is very sad. That's why she expresses her feeling by saying, "You were my favorite hello and my hardest goodbye." Good job. Now I want you to find many more captions. Give me the meanings and then please explore the meanings and then give it to me and share to us. Okay? Thank you for being with me. It was nice to be with you. So, stay healthy, stay at home, and keep praying for our country and everything. And we still hope that we can meet again face to face. Enjoy all the activities and exercises happily, and God bless you.